This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by John Solomon. Welcome to Woodside Village Condominiums, situated in the Largo/Clearwater area of Pinellas County. This 1-bedroom/1-bath condo is only about a 15-minute drive to local premier beaches. Open floor plan with split bedrooms. This community welcomes you home with attractive pool, clubhouse, entertainment and landscaping, including tropical flowers, mature oak and palm trees. Convenient parking is right at your front door. Lots of guest parking provides a welcoming venue for all who visit you. As you enter the villa, the beautiful open combo view of the unit greets you from this open concept. Community pools, a clubhouse, shuffleboard, an on-site laundry facility, clubhouse west/full kitchen, pool tables, library and fireplace, tennis courts, convenient shopping, and restaurants, all reflect Florida living at its best. This villa is a special must-see now. For more information,